What's up guys, Alec here, and with the recent launch of Igtv, people are already looking for ways to monetize their Igtv content. After the launch, an Instagram spokesperson told Recode the following: "We are committed to helping creators build their careers and make a living doing this work." After the launch of Igtv, they said that they would be exploring and testing different ways on how they can help creators monetize their Igtv content. And one of the co-founders of Instagram, Kevin Systrom, said that he didn't just want big names and celebrities claiming on the rewards of this platform. He wants everyone that creates real and genuine content to reap the benefits of Igtv. So there's no set idea yet on how creators are going to monetize their content from Igtv, but if Instagram wants creators to publish their content to Igtv, it has to pay them, and they're yet to figure that out. Now, in my opinion, the success of Igtv depends on this happening. If they manage to successfully introduce a new monetization system, Igtv is going to be huge. Now, there are some ways that are more obvious than others when it comes to making Igtv work. Now, in my opinion, it's most likely that Igtv content is going to have mid-roll ads, because pre-roll ads will steer people away from the content itself. Mid-roll ads is going to be just like on Facebook, where you're watching a video and then you get maybe a 15-second ad 2 minutes after you've begun that video. It is also possible that it would have pre-roll ads, but I feel like that would push too many people away from the content, because Igtv doesn't have the same feel as YouTube to me. When I sit down and watch a YouTube video, I'm kind of committed to that, whereas Igtv, I can quickly skim through something if I don't like it. And now, in my opinion, that would be the best way for Igtv to monetize its content and split the revenue between itself and the creators. However, there's also a possibility for a system like Twitch, where you pay a monthly fee to access a certain content. Now, due to the fact that Instagram is owned by Facebook, I'm sure we're going to be seeing something very similar to Facebook's monetization. However, the problem with Facebook is that creators don't spend enough time there because there's not a lot of opportunity to monetize your content. So, just because Igtv haven't yet figured out how to help their creators monetize their content, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't start making money with your Igtv videos. You can just make Igtv your next sales funnel, and there's a lot of opportunity to do so. The fact that you can put out quality engaging content on that platform with tons of exposure is a huge opportunity. So now I'm going to share some ideas on how you can start making money with your Igtv videos. So to start making money with Igtv, there are a few things you need to have. The first one is an actual product. So this could be a physical product on an e-commerce store. This could be a digital product such as an ebook or a course, or you could be an affiliate for a digital product or a physical product. So the first idea would be to post a small teaser segment of an interview or a masterclass that you did, and then within the description of that Igtv video, link to the full version of the interview. That's the best thing about Igtv, is that in the descriptions you actually have clickable links. This used to be a huge problem for small creators on the platform who didn't yet have the swipe up feature on their stories. The only way they could send traffic out to another location was by linking in their bio. But now you can link to anywhere straight within the description of your Igtv videos. So when you link out to the full interview, you could either have it on your monetized YouTube channel, or you could have a private Facebook group or website which costs money to access. The second idea is to create behind the scenes content for your business. So when you have a product, you can make a 1 to 2 minute video on how that product is made and how it will impact the customer's life. If it's a digital product such as a course, you could showcase some of the results that people have gotten from your course. And then again, you could link to that physical or digital product straight within the video's description. Now, my third idea for you is that if you don't have a product or a business, you can become an affiliate for a certain product or course or whatever you want. There's tons of affiliate platforms online. One of the biggest ones, of course, is Amazon Affiliate. You could easily do a 1 to 2 minute review of one of your favorite products on Amazon and then direct people from your Igtv video straight to the Amazon link. And then finally, my fourth tip for you would just to be to do some more Q&A to build a stronger relationship between you and your followers. Building a relationship with your followers is really important and has huge long-term benefits. When there's trust between you and your followers, the power of influence you have over them is a lot stronger. To build more relationships. You don't want to wait until the monetization comes, because by then you'll regret it and it will already be too late. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing some Q&A on my Igtv channel soon, so go follow me on Instagram @AlecLifestyle. Again guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.